In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear history on Perplexity. If you want to clear your chart history, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to get started, go ahead and log into your Perplexity AI mobile app. And then once you are here, go to your profile icon and click on it. Now this will take you to this page where you should be able to see all your charts. These are the current charts. But for our case, we want to clear history. To clear history, go ahead and click on this settings gear and then scroll down until you see clear history. So if you click on this clear history, we have an option to confirm this by tapping on clear, and then the history will have been cleared. Now, if you try to go to your charts, you should see there are no charts because you have cleared your history on Perplexity. So that's how you can clear history on Perplexity. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.